I don't think that there are barriers now. What the only barrier is time, because you're going to have people building these agents. As more and more of these agents are built out, as more and more of this spatial programming and this universal domain graph of the world, this digital twinning of everything with context baked in, as all of that is evolving and these agents are being built out and these agents are learning and growing in their knowledge and learning from each other, then, you know, it's just going to continue to evolve, you know? So really, to me, it's just time. But I don't think it's as much time as people might think, because the really cool thing is we've had all of these emerging technologies that have been growing siloed, right? But they've all been growing. And like we're at the point where, you know, there's apps on your phone where you can scan a room and get a 3D model from it, right? Like there's all of these capabilities that the beautiful thing about the programming language of the spatial web protocol, this HSML, hyperspace modeling language, is it not only becomes a language that these AI can communicate across, but it also becomes the common language for all emerging technologies to be able to become interoperable. So, and I'll give you an example of what that looks like. NASA JPL, right? They're one of the beta partners for Versus, and you know they're using this technology for their Artemis project, and you know they may have one team, you know, located somewhere like, say, you know, here in the United States, and they're building the rover, and maybe they're using NVIDIA Omniverse to build it, right? And then there's another team over in Europe, and maybe they're using Unity to build some other aspect of this. They can all come together in this simulated digital twin environment, and it does not matter what technology they have built with. HSML bridges it all. And that's going to enable a level of collaboration that we've never seen before. It's never been possible to have that level of collaboration between teams, regardless of what technology each one is using or prefers or whatever. This digital twin environment with HSML bridging it all, it just creates this level of interoperability that brings it all together. So when you're talking about IoT and distributed ledger technologies and AR and VR and, you know, AI is this powered intelligence that is, you know, drawing all of these connections between it all. It's pretty, it's kind of mind blowing. That's why I feel like we're about to enter this phase of innovation like we've never seen before. You know, the level of innovation that this is going to spark is going to be so fun to watch it unfold. And that's why I say all of this is an open source dream, because, you know, open source developers, they want to be able to have the tools and then just build with them. And, you know, to be able to have access to all emerging technologies and what you can do with them all together, and have them powered by these kinds of agents that are self-organizing, adaptable, you know, can learn, plan, and act in real time with live data.
Do you think that it makes sense to build agents that can browse the web for you? It looks like it's the direction that everyone is taking now.
I think
Uh,
that's the direction everybody's taken now, because that's what they've got. You know, we're in the World Wide Web still. I think that it's going to look totally different once we are in this, you know, once our internet is, you know, enabled with this, you know, digital representation of every physical thing, and it's all powered by AI. You know, the way we search, for a lack of a better word, because that's not really what it's going to be for this next era. It's going to be kind of a knowing, right? And these AIs are going to be the ones that
The thing about our current financial system is